In the vastness of the universe, galaxies are far from static. Over billions of years, many galaxies experience powerful and dramatic transformations through collisions. One of the most well-known examples of this transformation process is how spiral galaxies can evolve into giant elliptical galaxies after merging with others. Take NGC 4565, for instance. It's a striking spiral galaxy, often referred to as the needle galaxy because of its thin, edge-on profile. NGC 4565 represents a class of galaxies that can maintain a spiral structure for billions of years, but its fate, like many others, is influenced by cosmic events, specifically galaxy mergers. When galaxies like NGC 4565 collide with other galaxies, their beautiful spiral arms are often disrupted, leading to the formation of elliptical galaxies over time. Elliptical galaxies, unlike their spiral counterparts, lack the distinct arm structures. Instead, they are more rounded or oval-shaped, with a smoother appearance. This change occurs because the violent collisions between galaxies scramble their stellar populations. Stars lose their organized orbits in spiral arms and form a more random, elliptical distribution. These mergers can involve two spiral galaxies crashing together or a larger spiral galaxy absorbing smaller galaxies in its neighborhood. One of the most intriguing outcomes of these cosmic mergers is the creation of extremely massive elliptical galaxies. A prime example is IC 1101, located over 1 billion light-years away. IC 1101 is one of the largest known galaxies, spanning over 6 million light-years in diameter. It's classified as a giant elliptical galaxy, and its size is the result of numerous galactic collisions over billions of years. These mergers allow IC 1101 to accumulate more stars, gas, and dark matter than most galaxies in the universe, making it an extraordinary example of how large ellipticals can become. Elliptical galaxies, especially massive ones like IC 1101, tend to be more stable than their spiral predecessors. While spiral galaxies like NGC 4565 are dynamic and can experience bursts of star formation, ellipticals have much lower star formation rates. They are often older, with most of their stars being formed in the early stages of the universe. This is why many giant ellipticals appear reddish in color, as older stars tend to emit more red light. In conclusion, the process of galaxy collisions plays a fundamental role in shaping the universe we see today. Spirals like NGC 4565 may start as delicate and structured, but as they merge with other galaxies, they evolve into the smoother, more stable elliptical galaxies we observe. At the extreme end of this process, massive galaxies like IC 1101 emerge, providing a glimpse into the powerful forces that govern galactic evolution. These interactions are a reminder that the universe is a constantly changing, dynamic place, where even the grandest structures are subject to transformation over cosmic time.